Sample write-up theme 1. How do I practice non-violence in my daily life? Gandhi ji was the preacher and follower of non-violence, which means ahimsa. He led India's independence movement through a non-violent protest. It teaches us that with just the weapon of non-violence, we can achieve everything in our lives. Rehearsing ahimsa takes a lot of courage, skill, and challenges us on both the physical and mental level. We must control our minds, thoughts, and cultivate the seeds of positivity. I practice non-violence in my daily life by being less violent and compassionate towards others and towards myself. I show non-violence towards others by respecting their thoughts, avoiding any conflict, and being polite. I show non-violence towards creatures by adopting a vegan diet and loving all. It not only helps in maintaining peace but also protects our environment. I practice non-violence towards myself by caring for my body. Now coming to sample write-up theme 2. How do I contribute towards a culture of peace? United Nations has defined culture of peace as the set of values, attitudes, modes of behavior and ways of life that reject violence and prevent conflicts by tackling their root causes. To solve problems through dialogue and negotiation among individuals, groups and nations. As a responsible citizen of the country, we all must contribute towards a culture of peace. I contribute towards a culture of peace by inculcating qualities of mutual caring and well-being, appreciation of differences, equitable sharing of resources, promotion of equal rights, respecting others' freedom and opinion and respect for life, and above all, respecting my constitution. I refrain myself from doing any bad deed. Sample write-up theme 3. The most important Gandhian value which the world should follow today. Today, most of the fights are because of inequality, whether it is gender inequality between man and woman, caste inequality, discrimination based on caste, religious inequality, discrimination because of the particular beliefs which people hold about a religion, or economic inequality, unequal distribution of income and opportunity between different groups in society, which creates a vicious cycle of inequality, frustration and discontent. All are the root causes of violence and mistreatment. So, according to me, fighting against inequality in a non-violent way is the most important Gandhian value which the world should follow today. Sample write-up theme 4. What is the most important thing I learned from the life of Mahatma Gandhi? Simplicity is the most important thing I learned from the life of Mahatma Gandhi. He was a simple man with vast ideas. He was ultimate minimalist, a man who died a pauper but who influenced the lives of many throughout the world and continues to inspire us with his message even today. When Gandhiji died, he had very few possessions, which includes a watch, spectacles, eating bowl and sandals. He was a man of utmost simplicity and non-possession.